Well, how you doing? Welcome to Carlos's Kitchen. My wife is not around, but she's videotaping. Okay? We're gonna make ourselves some pizza, okay? From the home, my first time ever. What we have here is pre-baked pizza dough. And with that, we're gonna add some Prego mushroom sauce. Oh my, one of my favorite, especially with spaghetti. We're gonna use that as our tomato paste, okay? Gouda cheese. Can't go wrong with Gouda cheese. And of course I cheated a little bit with pizza topping. What the heck? And we're gonna do pepperoni. I love pepperoni. But we're gonna do half cheese, half pepperoni because my wife doesn't like this. And we're gonna preheat at 220 and leave it there. And this is the pan that we're gonna use, a little pizza pan. And it should be done in about, once we get all the ingredients and the pre-dough pizza, 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, so here we go ahead and put our pre-baked crust there. Here we got this ragu. Okay, we just throw it right in there. Okay, I like it kind of thick. Okay, maybe let's do one more. What the heck, huh? Make it thick, okay? And we just swirl it around. Okay, it's just, as you see the little mushrooms there. Oh, love it. Okay. Well, there you go. Yeah, most videos you can find they do it much faster. I just a little slower. I throw some of this Gouda cheese. Okay. All right, and some of that pizza topping. Yeah, I gotta do it a lot on one side because a lady of mine is just where's my cheese? Where's my cheese? And I'm like, yeah, baby, hang on. So I'll just throw a little bit over here. And pepperoni. You see, I love that pepperoni. I always say, give me extra pepperoni. And for some reason, I don't get extra pepperoni. But in this case, I'm going to have extra pepperoni. Yes. Yes, there we go. All right. Now it looks like it's set to go. Okay? Okay, the oven is preheated. And now it's time for cooking! Alright, gotta be careful. Put it up there. Slide it in there. Okay. At the same time, we have a timer. Wait 6 minutes. Set and start. Countdown.
Okay, time to get our pizza out and see what we got. Look at that, huh? Ooh. Okay. Okay, now we'll transfer it to a plate. Nice and easy, that just comes on out. Let's take it out of the plate. Voila. Should be easier to cut from here. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. That cheese is like sliding. Look at that. Well, you know what? I'll just do a half like this for my wife. Finger looking good. And this is my first ever pizza. And I know we're going to enjoy it. Sawasdee krap.